dual-carriage road in Owo is gradually taking shape. You can see it has been coated with these gravels. And guess what? Very soon it will start to become functional. This is still your best time to own properties right here. Imagine once this road is completed and it becomes fully functional, the price of properties here will finally and actually skyrocket. And yes, we still have property right here, Castleview, going for 5 million naira. Right, this is Castleview Estate, and the road is being opened up. Very soon allocation will be done, and you can be part of this place right now. It's a few minutes from the major Enugu-Abakaliki Express. So this is the new look of Owo dual-carriage road. This is dual-carriage road that is leading to North Central to Abuja. So very soon this road will become functional. I mean, see the look already. Don't miss out on this place. Come in now with a deposit of 2 million. You'll be securing a plot here and wait for your massive return on this particular place.